The divine message of the day: love and divine presence. Beloved beings of light, love towards your inner self is as essential as the air you breathe. If you fail to foster this feeling of divinity within you, your progress on the path of evolution will be stalled. Your advancement depends directly on the degree to which you accept divinity into your consciousness. The feeling of the divine is not related to being guided by a human being who possesses only the capacity to manipulate without any divine power. To draw closer to God, you only need to allow this divine feeling to enter your heart. When you experience this feeling, a sudden silence occurs, even if you find yourself in the center of a large city. You feel delight in contemplating God within you, and this strengthens God's presence in you. The highest feeling of love that you can experience is similar to the divine feeling. Always keep in mind that what happens externally should not affect your inner light. Therefore, all your worries should dissipate with the light of God in your heart and your inner being. You should never distrust God nor cease to follow His light, even if you find yourself in a dark place or moment. Remember that your inner freedom does not depend on external circumstances. Always maintain this trust no matter where you are. Feel the light and divinity within you, and everything that does not belong to divine perfection will pass through your consciousness without leaving a trace. Your connection with the divine and your daily spiritual practices, with our guidance, will inevitably elevate you to the evolutionary stage of 5D. Embrace this deep connection with the divine, and let it transform every aspect of your life, leading you to a more fulfilled and harmonious existence. We are your elder brothers. Keep this message from our elder brothers in mind. Your inner light guides you. Thank you to each one of you for making it this far. I love you. I am Zoe. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care deeply for you. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.